Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that T represents the top of a vertical cliff, TF. And there are two boats, A and B, at the same level as F. And some of the dimensions are given. Find the angle of depression of A from T. So at this point, right, I'm going to take out a ruler. And I'm going to draw this dotted line. This is what we call the horizontal. Okay, and I will have this as the angle of depression. And if we were to take a look, this angle of depression is actually by alternate angle. The value is the same as angle BAT. And we can find BAT easily because we are given three sides of a triangle ABT. At this point, let's take a moment to think about what can we use. Sine rule, cosine rule? Cosine rule, yes. So the key to part A is cosine rule. So for part A, I will need to find cosine of applying cosine rule. So my angle BAT is therefore the cosine inverse of, always start with this angle that makes the angle. So it's 52 square plus 96 square minus 58 square. And the whole thing divided by 2 times my 52 and 96. I'm applying cosine rule, okay? This will give me a value of 31.0218 degrees. And therefore, my angle of depression of A from T will be equals to 31.0218 degree. To give the final answer to one decimal place, 31.0 degrees. Okay, that will be the answer for part A. Now, for part B, find the angle of elevation of T from B. Elevation. So from B. So we are now looking at B, right? And going to look up. So this will be the angle that we are interested in. So angle of elevation is the same as angle T, B, and F. Yeah? And I could tap on my knowledge of cosine rule again. How? Because I will be able to find angle ABT using my cosine rule. So from here, my ABT, my angle ABT is equals to the cosine inverse of, this time round it's not 52 and 96. I will start with 52 square plus 58 square because the length 52 and 58 make this angle ABT. Okay, minus 96 square over 2 times 52 and 58. And this will give me 121.4587 degrees. And with that, I will then be able to get my angle of elevation. Okay, for my angle of elevation of T from B is equals to 180 degree minus my angle ABT. To give me a value of 58.5413. Final answer 58.5 degree to 1 decimal place. And for part C, where we are now required to find the height TF. Then I'm going to look at my green color triangle, which I'm going to just, since we already gotten this, I'm going to write it down. 58.5413, and I have my 58. I'm required to find TF, which is my opposite side. 58 is my hypo. Given 3 so which one should I use? O and H. Yes, I'm going to tap on my sine ratio. So sine 58.5413 degree is equals to opposite side over hypo. And we just need to multiply 58 on both sides. And I will be able to get my answer for TF. So therefore, TF is simply equals to 49.475 to 5 significant figure. Final answer 49.5 meter. With that, we have come to the end of this example here that require us to use cosine rule. So if at any point of this video you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and let's move on to more mathematics problems.